in RadarOpus 3.3.15 or higher, when you double click on a remedy abbreviation, let's say here causticum, it opens your preferred reference document or reference documents. So I double click on it and you see it opens here the Allen keynotes. You can set your preferred reference document as follows. Let me close this first. In the list of references, you open your local options. Then in the list of titles, you select those documents you would like to have in your list of quick references. So, for example, let me select here Allen nozodes, maybe the Burke. I select here an English Burke, and well, for example, Allen keynotes. In the section of keynotes, I have here Allen keynotes is already selected. And well, let's do something else. Let's say you like Lippe. Lippe here, textbook of Materia Medica. And let's do one more. Let's do Fatak. So here the English Fatak. Then I click on Use Selected Documents. Now the next step is to set your preferred order in which they open. So let me select here, for example, the Burke at the top. Oh, I forgot an important one, the Archibald keynotes, or they are also called the Van Woensel keynotes. So let me select that one also. So I select here the English Van Woensel keynotes and I say Use Selected Documents. Okay, so let me put Van Woensel at the top. Let me do again. Then I select the Burke as second. And well, let's keep it like this. Allen nozodes, Lippe, Fatak, and Allen keynotes. Then I close my local options. So let me remove that. If I now double click on a remedy, so let me do that. Here the anacardium, I double click. It goes through that list of your preferred reference documents. And at first looks if it's in the Van Woensel keynotes. If it's not there, it will open the Burke and in this order. So let's say the remedy is not found in any of your quick reference documents. Then from this window you can also select here search for this remedy in, for example, all documents or all references. And all references will be the list of all these titles in your table of contents of references. Okay, let me close this. I will show you one more tip. If you have here your analysis and you would like to compare 2 or 3 remedies, I can double click here on the first one and it opens my quick reference document on the remedy Agnes Castes. Okay, I keep this tab open and I go again to the analysis and I double click here on the next remedy. And you see it opens here Apis also in the Van Woensel keynotes. But you can say, well, I would like to read about it in the Burke. Okay, let me do that for another remedy. So here Cannabis indica. Okay, now if you look here at the triangle, you see that all these 3 remedies are still open. So I can easily switch between Agnes and Apis and Cannabis indica or any other remedy in your list of the analysis. So let me do here Helleborus, I double click on it, and I have here also for Moonso keynotes, but I can easily switch, for example, to FATAC. So in this way, you can easily compare several remedies which score in your analysis in your quick references.